A flashing red and green light on your Milwaukee charger indicates a connection problem between the battery and charger, or the battery itself may be faulty. Don't worry, you can try several simple fixes. First, remove the battery and firmly reinsert it to ensure it's properly seated in the charger. Next, check the battery and charger contacts for dirt or corrosion. Clean them with compressed air or a soft cloth dampened with isopropyl alcohol, making sure everything is dry before reconnecting. Try resetting the charger by unplugging it from the power source for a few minutes, then plug it back in. This resets the internal circuitry. Also, make sure to check that your power outlet is working correctly and inspect the charger cord for any damage like cuts or kinks. Finally, if you have another compatible Milwaukee charger available, test your battery with it to determine if the problem is with the battery or the original charger. These initial troubleshooting steps resolve most connection issues with Milwaukee chargers. If the red and green lights continue flashing after trying these solutions, the problem may require more advanced troubleshooting. If basic troubleshooting fails, check the battery temperature. Milwaukee batteries must be between 5 and 40 degrees Celsius for safe charging. Charging outside this range can damage the battery permanently. Some users report success with jump-starting a dead battery using a fully charged one. However, this technique requires extreme caution, as it can be dangerous if done incorrectly. Only attempt this if you understand electrical safety procedures. If red and green lights continue flashing after all troubleshooting steps, the battery is likely defective and needs replacement. Other warning signs include significantly slower charging times, overheating, or the charger getting stuck in charging mode without showing a green completion light. Replace the charger if it shows no lights at all, has persistent error flashes, or shows physical damage. Internal failures like blown fuses or circuit board problems also require replacement. A functioning charger is essential for proper battery maintenance. Always ensure proper environmental conditions when charging. Provide adequate ventilation to prevent overheating, keep the charger away from moisture and dust, and have appropriate fire safety equipment nearby. These precautions help prevent accidents and extend equipment life.